We utilize the helicopter to do our aerial patrols on our high voltage lines. We do this semi-annually, check the maintenance on our structures to ensure reliability to our customers. And for the out-of-town locations, this gives us a quicker way of finding out if our line is intact. The helicopter patrol gives a human element that is beneficial in more ways. Over 4 days, we see approximately 5,000 structures, and that equates to 1,100 linear miles. We look at both the structures, the line. I look at the vegetation under the line, the surrounding areas, any encroachments, any overgrowth, wildfire potential risk, just overall integrity of the line. This has been a great benefit for the company where we can address things within a day or two that normally would have unfortunately had to be responded to by an emergency. Doing it semi-annually is above and beyond is what we call, and that is to provide extra service and stability for our customers to know that we are going above the required procedures, that we can catch any anomalies within real time and ensure reliability.